Here's 3 reasons why you should cleanse your blood now. Reason number 1, for your energetic purification. The body is often seen as the body's energetic purification network. By clearing out toxins and waste, we promote a healthy, obstructive flow of energy. Spiritually, cleansing the lymphatic system is about releasing old emotions, thoughts, stagnant energy, clearing the path of renewal, and a sense of inner peace. Reason number 2, maintaining blood pressure. Blood pressure represents the flow of life force energy. Through our body's balance, blood pressure reflects a harmonious and calm state of being, while imbalances often signify stress, anxiety, or resistance. Working on balancing our blood pressure invites us to release stress, practice patience, and embrace peace. Reason number 3, building iron levels. Iron is symbolic of strength, resilience, and grounding. Healthy iron levels support a strong connection to the earth, stable energy, and resilience against life's challenges. Building iron levels spiritually represents building endurance in a stable foundation. Now you know 3 reasons to cleanse your blood. Share it with someone you know, and let's heal thy cells one by one. Day and night, so it can be blissful and restful. Ashe? The earth is here for us, so we have to utilize the earth to the best of our advantages, not being selfish and greedy, but replenishing the earth, caring for the earth, nurturing our women and youth, giving them what they need, and to be in balance with the earth, to love and to give and receive in a balanced way with each other and with the animals. That's the mission, that's the purpose. If you feel called to be on this wave of sustainability, of betterment of humanity, natural liberty, self-care, self-love, community-based healing, unity in community, homesteading, farming, all the above. If you are called to this movement, the betterment of yourself and humanity, please link me, leave a comment, like, share, subscribe. Let's get to it. We have work to do. It starts with you.
Let's all restore the Garden of Eden in our own yards to sustain, nourish, and provide for our communities to have a bountiful harvest for all. Here are some examples of how we can play our part in the restoration of the garden. By simply saving seeds, roots, and bringing back the bartering system, we'll restore and recreate a bountiful harvest for all. There are so many ways to get involved in our community. However, most of these sustainability projects need further funding and/or donations to be successful. Your generous donation will help us create a lush, self-sustaining food forest that not only nourishes our body, but also nourishes our spirits. By supporting this project, you are investing in a healthier, greener future for everyone. Together, we can cultivate a space that brings people together, teaches valuable skills, and sustain our community for years to come. Join us in this transformative journey. Donate today to help restore the Garden of Eden and make our community self-sustainable. Every contribution, big or small, brings us one step closer to a thriving, sustainable future. Sending love, light, and healing to you on your journey.